Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Tablet, because first of all we have to actually turn on the developer options. So we have to tap on software information, find the build number and keep tapping on it until we will see that we are in the developer mode. If you've got a pattern or a pin, then enter to confirm the whole step, and the developer mode has been enabled. So we have to scroll down here in this left section to enter developer options. And now here we have to simply find the option Auto Update System, which is of course right now turned off. So in order to turn it on, just tap on this switcher, and from this moment, since this option is active, your device will be allowed to apply the updates when it will be restarted. So you do not have to do it manually, you do not have to wait for the update. Simply remember about restarting your device. Of course, you can turn it off whenever you want to just by tapping on this switcher again, but let me leave it like this. So actually this is it. This is how to activate automatic system updates in your Samsung Galaxy Tab S8. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.